everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. You know, I didn't think that I was going to get this video done today because it's been a crazy day so far and very busy. It is 4:51 p.m. on the dot for Thursday. So, and I usually record these much earlier, but I had a doctor's visit. It was my yearly checkup. I'm going to live for another few years. Everything was great. Very grateful for that. So onward and upward for that. And just everything. We had a storm move in. I had some errands to run and different things like that. I had to get a little birthday gift for tomorrow from my friend Greg. Busy weekend ahead. It's Midsummer Fest in Andersonville, just north of me here in Chicago, Illinois. So that's gonna be a busy Saturday with some really great friends, Scott, Jody, and Rob, and seeing some friends I haven't seen in a long time on Sunday. So they said, bring all your touchies, all your love, and all that kind of stuff. I love that he said touchies. So anyway, that's all, and I'm getting ready for Sidetrack is having their anniversary party tonight. I want to go and see friends I haven't seen in a while and be there for a few hours and hear Art and Peppy speak, which I usually stay until then. And they are the owners, by the way, of the establishment, and wonderful, wonderful people, friends, colleagues, and have done so much for our community here in Chicago. So that's what's going on. Yeah, that's about it. So I gotta wake myself up. It's so interesting. When I had my appointment today for the doctor's office, I don't drink coffee before. And it's really interesting how dependent you can be on coffee, because I literally had a headache about, I don't know, 2 hours after that when I wasn't drinking any coffee. And not that I drink a lot, you know, a few cups in the morning or something, but I was like, interesting. So maybe I need to wean back on the caffeine in the morning, but I didn't miss it because I do enjoy my coffee. So have a great weekend ahead. Get out, do something wonderful, do something kind for somebody else. Bring that community forward, bring that community spirit, that hopeful spirit. We all need it right now. We need a lot of love and belonging and inclusion, and bring people to close to you. Make sure everybody's got a place at the table. And we need that so much right now. I'm hearing from so many people, they're just feeling really out of sorts. So that's my wish for all of us, my wish for the weekend. I love you to pieces. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and share as always. Thank you for the comments, past posts, and everything. I guess I hit a real chord last week, and that was good. Had some good dialogue. So I will see you on Monday, and I'll give you an update from the weekend and anything else going on. Remember, Pride is all month long, so celebrate that Pride, celebrate those colors. Fly that flag for Pride right there. I'll talk to you on Monday. How's that sound? I'll see you later. Bye.